Hello everyone, it's the Cracked Huevo here, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this Iron Golem Farm. It's pretty easy, resource friendly, and can be built almost anywhere. So yeah, let's get building. Okay, so what you're gonna need? You're gonna need 1 fence, 24 trapdoors, 6 pieces of glass, 3 beds, 24 permanent blocks, and 42 walls. I recommend using scaffolding to make the building process easier and fast, as well as using some temporary blocks. And lastly, you will need 3 buckets of water to finish the main structure. To build a killing chamber, you're gonna need 2 chests, 4 hoppers, 2 buckets of lava, 1 bucket of water, and 20 signs. Okay, so once you have finally find the place where you want to build, you go, if you're using scaffolding, you're gonna go 19 blocks up. Just like that. Now, with a temporary block, place it on top so you can shift. And place another one here so you can move and place others. Now, grab the fence and place it down. Now, grab the trapdoor and place it on top of the fence. Now, with a temporary block, you want to shift and then place it on top of the trapdoor. Now you grab your trapdoors and you want to place it on top of the block on the upper side of the block. Okay. Now let's build up. Open this. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Now close this and destroy this block. Okay, so now make sure to open this gate. Now with you shift and with a trapdoor, right click on it so you place it and open it. As you can see, the trapdoors are like on the inside of the block. That's what we want. And with that, you have finished the zombie cell. Now grab your glass and place it on the bottom trapdoor, like that. And now build a 2x3 area, just like that. Okay, now grab your beds and place them down with the pillow on the other side of you, away from you. Just like that. Now grab your trapdoors again. And what you want to do is place the trapdoors on the bed, not on the block. So right click there, like shifting a right click. Now you want to shift and jump and place it down. Just like that. Okay, now you want to do the same on these other 3 sides and making sure you are placing the block, the trapdoor straight in front of the bed and not looking on diagonal, because if not, it's gonna open to the side and not to the front. Okay, so let's finish placing all of this. Like that. And finally, this one, make sure to be looking straight at to the bed. Now close them all. Just like that. Okay. The villagers, and that's the zombie spot. Okay, so now you grab your temporary block and shift. Place it on the bed on the middle. Now grab your trapdoor, place one on the one side, one on the other, break the block, and while shifting, grab another trapdoor and place it there. Now, you want to go up to a temporary block. Now grab a permanent block and build a 3x3 area on top of this villager cell. Now, on the zombie side, you want to go to outside And on the villagers side, you wanna go 3. Yeah. Okay, with that you have completed a 3x8 area. And now before continuing, we need to create the killing chamber down there. So to make the killing chamber, you wanna go from the base, you wanna go 5 blocks. And on the 5th block, you wanna dig the killing chamber, basically a 5x4 area. And as you can see, you wanted to make it 3 block height. Now, grab your signs and start placing them. Make sure to, once you place the first one, you wanna shift and right click on the last one that you placed. If you want, you can write something down, like whip. And just keep placing them. So once you have placed all the signs, go and dig out these 4 blocks to create the collection system. And over here you can place some chests and some hoppers as well. Okay, so once you place the chest, you wanna put 2 hoppers looking at the chest and 2 more hoppers looking at each other. So these 2 hoppers are looking at this, and these 2 hoppers are looking at the chest. And you cover this up. Okay, so now you want to place the water and the lava. You can place the water on the opposite corner where the collection system is. You place it on this corner. That it's opposite to the collection system. And now place the lava on opposite corners. And with that, you have completed the killing chamber. Okay, so once you have finally done with the killing chamber, you want to get your zombies and your villagers. You want to put each one on their cells. Like 1 zombie and 3 villagers. I have 2 zombies and 6 villagers because I'm gonna do 2 models. To make your life easier, you wanna get some redstones, minecarts, rails, and power rails. So yeah, let me do this real quick. Okay, so now you want to try to lure the zombie into the hole. I'm using iron shield to try to avoid his attacks. And there we go. Okay, now once you have got the zombie there, you want to close the hole and mine the block behind that. You want to go down and be careful because the zombie can hit you. And you want to take the permanent block and cover the hole where you came from. And you want to place a last trapdoor on top of the villager so he cannot escape by jumping. Now you want to do the same process but with the villagers. You want to destroy these 3 blocks so you can put the villagers in. Okay, so our recommendation for the villagers, to put them on the cells, we'll put some blocks over here so that the villagers don't go straight and ignore the hole basically, so they fall into the beds. Okay, so this is the final villager going into the farm. You want to just push the cart. Oh, it took a little bit of damage there, but that's okay. And you wanna remove this so they don't glitch out, and you wanna destroy it. Oh god. I hope they don't glitch. Let me destroy this again. Okay, well, there's one way to find out. Oh shit. Oh, okay. We're fine. We're fine, people. Okay, let me get this minecart and get out of this cell. Okay, so once you have finally got the 3 villagers on the cell, you wanna cover up the hole. Oops. Okay. There. And as you can see, the farm will start producing golems. Before continuing, we want to make sure to grab the water that we need. As you can see, you need to make an infinite source of water. You do that by placing one bucket here and another one here, and you use the one on the middle. So make sure you have your 3 buckets of water and your 42 walls of any kind. Okay, so you wanna leave this side open so the golems fall to their death. And you wanna place a temporary block here, and place walls like that, and do like surround the platform, leaving this gap over here. You wanna continue doing it all around until you reach the borders. Okay, so finally you want to destroy this block and grab your source of water and put them all the 3 over here. And as you can see, the stream of the water will guide the golems into the killing chamber. And yeah, that's basically all. Once you have done that, you can clear all the blocks that are left, and you are basically done. So you can AFK the machine, and it will produce iron for you, as well as flowers that you can use for generating bone meal. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed the video tutorial, and I hope to see you on the next one. See ya!